Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to piggyback off of yesterday's video where we made an automated journalist. So today we're going to do the second half of that scenario that we want to build, where we're going to actually post this information out. So just a quick note on yesterday's scenario. I did make a few changes. Instead of using Perplexity for my first operator in my scenario, I actually changed that to a Chat GPT operator as well, because with GPT 4.0, it actually provides better data. And I noticed with Perplexity, it would regurgitate a lot of the same articles. So I've fact checked it with the new data from GPT 4.0, and it seems to be accurate based off that day's news. So with this, we are going to start with creating an Airtable where we watch records. We're going to select our base, which is, in this case, political reporter. The table is just going to be the only table I have set up in there. If you have multiple tables for yours, feel free to put it out. And then last modified, you saw when we created that field, we created our Airtable, we added that field in there. And that's because we can use this to trigger a scenario to run in make.com. So that being said, we can use a label field for the record. We'll just use post limit. We are going to say 1. Okay. And we only want to get 1 back. Actually, no, we don't want to run it more than once. So yeah, let's just do 1. And then it doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Do we want to use an Airtable formula to filter the records? We do. But do we want to do it here? Maybe. We'll take a look. Let's do this first. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in. I'm going to add another module. And in this module, we are going to... Well, let's see if we even need this first. First, let's go in here. See what happens. We're going to run once. It's going to tell us we have an update. Okay, so we've got the post, we got the date, status unpublished. Perfect. So if you notice in here, we had published and unpublished for our options. So we need to schedule items for publishing. So if it's unpublished, we want it to go through and publish it. But we only want to do 1 at a time, and we want to do it based on the date. So this should be pretty simple, actually. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to add flow control. It's going to be a router. I'm going to add my add Twitter. Create a post. It doesn't matter which Twitter account I want to use. We'll go ahead and use this one. Use post. Okay. This one will come in. Actually, if we're going to use another one, we'll just use Facebook. Create a post. Oh, we gotta switch this. Okay. And we'll do this one. Message is going to be our post. Okay. So basic, pretty simple, right? So, I mean, this is going to come through. Here's where the magic's going to happen. We're going to set up a filter. We're going to make sure that the date that we added these is equal to, yeah. Okay. And in here, oh, we can do this too. And we want to make sure that the status contains unpublished. Okay. Okay. We're going to add one more piece of our router. It's going to go back to Airtable. We're going to update a record. Base, we're going to do the same thing. Political reporter. Table is going to be the same table. Record ID is going to be the ID we get here. And we're going to change the status to published. Okay. Super simple, correct? Save this. I think we put that filter in there already. Okay. And since we did one, we should be able to run. See what happens. Oh, we got 0. Date equals now. Status. Okay, so date does not equal now. So we need to format the date. So let's look this up. Date, formatting, in make.com. Okay. So we're going to use this one, right? So we're going to like this. We're going to like this. We're going to go, oops, edit. This, not look, edit. There we go. Where format date. This date is going to be year, month, date. Okay. Now run once. Bam! Now we come back in here. Published. There we go. So when we published a tweet that said New York legal documents is following a solid Trump in New York concerning the business practices by his legal battles. Team remains confident when practice 2024 campaign. So now we've got the news. All there is to it. Pretty simple stuff. So we did all this in what, less than 5 minutes, less than 10 minutes again. So this entire automation between 1 and 2 is going to take less than 20 minutes to set up for you to have an unlimited amount of materials to post every single day. So then the last piece of this is just going to be when you want to schedule it. So obviously you're going to have those 10 items a day. You can come in here and you can set it to schedule. And I wouldn't do every 15 minutes. I'd probably do every 3 hours, every 2 hours. That means we'd get 20 posts a day in a 24-hour period. It's perfect. So, hope you guys like this video. If you like, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a note in the comments of any other automations you'd like for me to show you how to build. So, hope you like the video. Once again, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one.